Up in the morning, greet the sun. Today's the day I'm gonna have some fun. Lots of choices, I'll pick one. Use your noodle. My friend Noodlebug plays with me, moves and sings and laughs with me. Noodlebug, Noodlebug, helps me give my brain a hug. Noodlebug, Noodlebug, helps me give my brain a hug. Days are filled with lots of joys, music, stories, treats, and toys, and this friend for girls and boys.
Keep on being kind. Attack of the Ice Cream Monster. Look, Rangers, we're finally here at the Snowland Ice Cream Factory. Hey, Rangers, look, I found a human ice cream machine. Let's play Ice Cream Monsters. Ice Cream Monsters? What's that? It's kind of like tag. We'll all be ice cream monsters, but one of us will be evil and go chasing the other Rangers. That sounds like fun, bro. Let's all play Ice Cream Monsters.
Oh, look at me, I'm so beautiful!
Well, I'm the evil Dr. Purple, and I'm gonna come eat you guys. Nom 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 nom. Ah, you can't get me, evil Dr. Purple. Wait a minute, guys. Where's Linda go? Linda, what's wrong? Why are you crying? Because, man, I don't want to be covered in ice cream. I feel all sticky and silly. Oh, it sounds like you feel a little bit discomfort. That means someone made you feel uncomfortable and embarrassed. I'm confused. I thought you liked this game, Linda. Well, bro, not everyone likes the same things you do. That's what makes each of us special. An opinion is a belief a person has about someone or something. While facts can be proven true or false, opinions don't work like that. They're all based on a person's thoughts and beliefs. Opinion consider emotions or a point of view, which means some people can agree with the opinion or disagree with them. Here's an example. I think dogs are the best pets in the whole entire universe. Oh, I agree with you on that, sissy. Dogs are my favorite animals, as well as wolves. Dogs are cool, man, Michael, but I really prefer cats as pets because they're my favorite animal. So, you guys all have different opinions about what pet you think is the best. Me and Michael both like dogs, but Linda likes cats. Now, a preference is a little bit like an opinion, but unlike an opinion, a preference is when you like something more than something else. Which means you can like the same things as your friends, but you might like doing it differently than them. I don't understand. How can we like the same thing, but like doing it differently? Oh, I know. We all like to dance, but we all like dancing differently. How about we show each other our favorite dance moves? Liking the same thing as your friend is fun, but sometimes your friends might like different things than you, and that's okay because everyone is different in one way or another. And it's okay if your friends don't like the same thing as you because that means that you can explore things in a different way. When you respect other people's opinion and see things from their eyes, that means you're seeing things from their point of view. There you go, Linda. You're back to your normal self. Okay, here comes the evil Dr. Purple again. Nom 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 nom. Ready to eat those ice cream off you. Michael, I do not want to play ice cream monsters anymore. I want to play something different. Check it out that silly disguise and be your normal self. Whoa, Linda, that wasn't very nice to say. I know you don't like the game Ice Cream Monsters, but you can't tell Michael that. You might hurt his feelings. But man, I really do not like playing Ice Cream Monsters. I think it's a silly game. I really just want Michael to stop playing. Linda, I know you're angry, but sometimes you need to keep your opinion to yourself so you don't end up hurting someone else's feelings. Friends are really different from each other, and they all like doing different things. Friends don't always agree with each other all the time, and sometimes they argue, and that's okay. But sometimes your friends might do something that you might find annoying, embarrassing, or silly. But sometimes, even after you tell your friend to stop, your friends won't stop, and that can make you feel very upset. Even though you might feel really angry, it's important not to say you're angry and hurt your friend's feelings. But man, it's important to share your feelings with others, and I just want to yell at Michael to stop playing this silly game. Well, it is important to share your emotions, Linda, but it's also important not to hurt your friend's feelings. Linda, do you remember a few months ago when Ida made fun of your hairbow and how that made you feel? Oh yeah, I do remember how I felt. It really hurt my feelings. I guess I hurt Michael's feelings. I told him he couldn't play his game. So, what should I do? You could always ignore him. Ignore him? Doesn't that sound a bit more meaner? Well, actually, Linda, ignoring is okay in some scenarios. It's kind of like when you walk away from a bully. If a friend wouldn't stop bothering you, it's okay to walk away for a few minutes. It might feel a little bit weird at first, but you have to remember that two wrongs don't make a right. Most of the time, if you ignore something that bothers you, a friend will stop doing the thing that bothers you. Of course, when your friend doesn't stop bothering you, no matter how many times you tell them to stop, then it's okay to get a grown-up to help. You just don't want to do it right away because that might hurt your friend's feelings a little bit more. So try to work out the problem yourself first. Hey Linda, I'm really sorry for making you feel uncomfortable. I just thought you really liked this game, but I guess wrong. I wonder just whether we can still play ice cream monsters, only not everybody has to be covered in ice cream. I have an idea! Be right back! Ta-da! I'm Linda, the Sugar Plum Fairy, and I'm gonna stop the evil Dr. Purple. I got some fairy wings for you too, May. Oh, no thank you, Linda. I don't like wearing wings on my back. They're too girly for me. Oh, okay. What would you like to wear on your back, May? I like wearing a cape on my back, like a superhero. Linda, that was so thoughtful of you. Instead of forcing me to do something she didn't want to do, you asked her what she would like to do. It's okay if you don't like the things your friends do, but it's important not to be rude to them. Sometimes saying mean words like disgusting, I don't like it, or anything else like that can really hurt their feelings, so sometimes it helps to change the way you say things. Especially when they put the time and effort to make it for you. Instead of saying negative things to them, you can say positive things to them and say something really nice. Hey Linda, maybe you can say something nice to the evil Dr. Purple. Maybe that can stop him from being super duper evil. Well, I do like the color of the ice cream on you, Michael. Pink and blue are my favorite colors. I also like the evil Dr. Purple voice, Michael. It's really funny. Oh, Linda, that was so kind of you to say. It really made me feel appreciated. Wow, saying those nice things to Michael really made my heart feel happy. It's okay if you don't like the same things as your friends right away. No one's supposed to like everything at first sometimes. Even though you might not like the same thing your friend likes right away, sometimes you just need to take a little time to warm up to it first. And who knows, maybe after a little bit of time, you might change your mind and really like it. Even if you still don't like it, you still want your friend to enjoy what they like too. Remember that you can change your negative words into positive words by saying something really nice to them. Hey, do you know what, May? This ice cream monster is actually a really fun game. Come on, Superman, let's go defeat the evil Dr. Purple. Actually, Linda, I think that's enough ice cream monsters for me today. What's wrong, bro? Don't you like the game ice cream monsters? Oh, I do, maybe. It's just all this ice cream is getting really cold. Yeah, I know this ice cream is making me really hungry. I think it's time to transform back to normal. Phew, that's better. Back to my normal self. Yep, back to our normal self. Now, let's go get some ice cream for a snack. What would you guys like to have for a snack? Oh, I'm fine with ice cream, Michael. Ice cream's my favorite dessert. I want ice cream too, Michael. Me free, Michael. Let's go get some ice cream. We had so much fun playing ice cream monsters today. Even though Linda didn't like being covered in ice cream herself, she still found a fun way to play the game with us. Always remember that it's okay to like different things to your friends, but it's important to be respectful and kind to them. Hey, that makes me wonder something. What would you choose to be? Would you choose to be an ice cream monster like Michael or a superhero like me?
Keep on being kind. Woo. Bye.
Bye.